If you're wondering what food's like in Iceland and how much is it, we're going to show you everything from the grocery store to a gas station and everything in between.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is your ultimate Icelandic South Coast food guide. Holvik is Icelandic for beer factory, and this place opened in 2017. They're known for great beer and great pizza.
This is like the only brewery in Europe that uses geothermal energy to make beer, which is kind of hot, not really cool. Anyway, let's go in.
Just 15 minutes outside of Selfos, this place is worth a stop. You don't need a reservation either. You're going to find the QR code to scan to see the menu at the table.
May I tell you something?
What?
There's a lot of pizzas, but the one that you mentioned on the top, though,
Sounds interesting to me.
you could do that one.
Although all the pizza looked really good, we had to try the hot dog pizza.
The beer was beaten by the pizza.
I'm trying to run you.
Barely. It was almost a tie. It's almost a tie. Thank you.
Welcome. Enjoy your food.
Thank you. So we have beer and pizza, and the pizza looks pretty darn good. Let's see. Here. This is Icelandic hot dog pizza. Icelandic hot dog pizza.
This has got to be like the craziest pizza I've ever seen. Because we actually have the hot dogs like I tried in the city. It looks like it's got like the mustard, maybe
Yep.
maybe everything just on a pizza.
Yep. I can't get over how good this is.
The pizza and beer are great, and the place has a super cool vibe.
To the brewery that we can't pronounce.
Oh, we were supposed to ask him before he ran away.
Oliver.
Cheers.
See? This.
Or this.
Watching these guys whip up some amazing wood-fired pizza is great to see, but the beer speaks for itself. It's incredible.
This is probably the best beer I've had in Iceland so far. This is the best beer. Actually, they have replicated a West Coast IPA from the States.
Wow.
It's pretty good.
It's funny because some of their beers are actually like 2.2.
There's nothing low octane about their beer. It's good.
This is a 7. This is real good.
It's funny because I love the hot dogs in the city, and I had no idea that you could duplicate it on a pizza.
It's brilliant.
And of course, there's a cooler so you can get beer to take home with you too.
I feel like in my entire life, I've never had a hot dog pizza.
This is the only brewery in all of Europe that uses geothermal heat to brew beer. You might have said it before. Mm-hmm. That's all you have to say. Mm-hmm. So great pizza and great beer.
So today we had a super busy day.
Yeah, we were wandering around the South Coast near Vik mostly, but
So because of that, we didn't really have time for a formal dinner.
no. So by the time we got to Cronin, the grocery store chain, it was closed. So
So we actually found this little place that's like a restaurant gas station.
Yeah.
And they happen to have like pre-made sandwiches. But these sandwiches aren't really like any ordinary sandwich.
No. They're actually smoked lamb and, what does it say?
And salad.
Smoked lamb and salad. One more time, there.
So it says smoked lamb, carrots, green peas, and mayonnaise.
Yeah, and for some reason it's mostly in English. I don't know why. And then we also picked up this potato salad because we could.
Because we wanted a salad to go with our sandwiches.
Yeah.
So it's funny because normally you think maybe gas station sandwiches not so good, but this is more of a gas station restaurant.
So let's see how it is.
But they look good, so we're gonna try them out.
You can watch the looks of joy on our face as we try this stuff out. Because I have no idea what to expect.
Definitely has a smoky taste. It's good.
Okay. Yeah, it's super strong. The smoke smell is super strong. So, bread's a tad bit stale. It's better than the 7-Eleven in the States.
I think it's pretty good.
It's okay. How's potato salad?
It's pretty good. It's like potatoes, onions, and chives.
That sounds pretty typical. All right.
So I think,
Can't take me anywhere.
I think pretty good though.
So if you're in a pinch and you need to get something to eat, you could always swing by one of the restaurants that has to go or take out or take away or whatever you want to call it where you are.
Well, if you happen to want to do a picnic too.
Or a picnic with your picnic a basket. Isn't that what Yogi the Bear says?
I'm sure about that.
Yeah, I think so.
So if you want to have a picnic, it's a great option.
That's one tip. That's all.
Strodin Pub is located right around the corner from Resna Fahara Beach,
Okay, we can go in.
or right in the center of Vik.
We're at the Strodin Pub. Maybe? All I know is this really cool Viking dude is their logo. Check this out. Super cool Viking dude. What do you think of this place so far?
I love that the view is the rock formation.
Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching the flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home.
Icelandic beer is pretty good. So cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's good.
I'm coming home.
Dinner time.
I'm coming home.
At the Strodin Pub.
That's the place.
Yes.
Lori's gonna eat all the calamari if I don't have some. You're not taking it again. No. 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 Bring it back. Damn you. Good beer.
So, is it just that they're good brewers, or is it the water?
Probably the water. Water is the most prominent ingredient in beer. And Iceland's water is really, really good, so it makes sense that their beer would be really, really good.
Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching the flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home.
Okay, we have some food. Wow, that looks good.
So, this is actually salmon, but I think here it's called, I want to say, chard. I think it was CHAR,
Really?
but they said it's salmon. It looks really good.
It looks really good.
And there's mashed potatoes.
Oh, I might have chosen
and
unwisely, but
salad.
I did straight up fish and chips, Icelandic style. We'll see how this is, but it looks pretty good, I would say. Lori's already hammering hers down. Yep, you were. I caught you on frame.
Very good.
That looks really good.
It was so good. Look at my plate.
Plate empty. Yeah, it's really good. I am stuffed. Totally stuffed. So I guess we can,
It's time to maybe go back to the house.
yeah, back to the house.
Maybe heat up the tub.
Heat up the tub.
Now that's gonna be an experience.
We've been here before.
Yes. And wait, Smidjan Brugghus. And we're back because we loved it so much.
And because Lori bought me a shirt that doesn't fit, so maybe we can exchange it. It's the longest distance exchange ever.
So this brewery's right in Vik.
Yeah, right in Vik.
Or Vik, I'm sorry,
There you
Vik.
go. So let's check the going.
We didn't just come back to exchange a t-shirt. The beer and burgers here are amazing. I did exchange my shirt though.
We already have beer, because since we're at a brew pub, it would be wrong not to get beer. So actually I chose one called Wet Spot, which is this one right here. It's a New England IPA, which is funky because we're in Iceland and not New England, but hey, let's see how they do with it.
And all because of you.
If you found this church, You are so close to this brewery, you just have to stop.
I have hooked on IPA,
Yeah.
which I believe is like a 6. So, middle of the road.
Middle of the road. Cheers.
Cheers.
If you need to do a big party or something, there's a really big space right by the brewery itself.
It tastes good. Got crunchies in it.
Honestly, I don't care what you say about me breaking free from everything we were. And it's all because of you.
It's burgers for 2. Beer and burgers. This thing is an onion ring and bacon burger. I can't say onion rings in Icelandic, but bacon is bacon. That I think I have down. Lori has a blue cheeseburger.
Yes, the yummy blue cheese.
That looks pretty amazing, actually. She sided with fries,
Just fries.
and I have a mug of onion rings to accessorize what's already on this burger. So, we're gonna dive in and see what this is all
But
about.
I'm gonna be just fine. I don't know about you.
Icelandic flies are a thing.
Oh my god, the blue cheese.
Yeah, very, very
It's
good.
really good.
Nice.
All because of you.
I'm gonna take a bite of this damn thing. Ready? This thing's huge. Look at this thing.
Can you zoom in? Let me zoom in on your burger.
You don't need to zoom in on the burger, see?
Crazy.
Pretty huge before you zoomed in.
And it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forgive? Forget it.
Yeah.
It's like insanely juicy. Lori had to use a fork and knife. This burger is so juicy that it's literally, it's just dissolving the bun. It's crazy.
It is.
This place is really good.
Burger's gone.
Is it Smidjan? Maybe.
I think so.
Maybe.
But it's
Place is awesome.
2 words. Or does that mean the second word? Does it mean beer?
I don't know. No idea.
So
All I know is that the food and the
So
beer in here,
anyways, it's this.
and it's really good. Really good.
So I think we think it's
Smidjan.
Smidjan?
Maybe. Sounds right. Probably wrong, but it sounds right. But you can find it. Check this place out if you're in Iceland and you're near Vik, because it's the bomb.
Definitely.
Is this the guy who made the burgers? Oh, you made the burgers? They're incredible. Like, I mean, incredible. Super juicy. Mwah. Thank you. All right, let's roll.
Okay.
Time to go. Into the rain.
Oh, it is raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
Aw.
But it's liquid sunshine in Iceland.
And it's all because of you. Did you think